Hello, how can you hear me?
Hello. Well, I can hear you quite good. From where you're calling me?
We are in the studio and we're doing a sound check to a Bluetooth device.
What? What did you buy this time?
Nothing. It's a old Bluetooth device.
No, it's not. A month ago, you buy yourself Harman Kardon Bluetooth headphones. I know you have Bluetooth headset, and if my intuition is right, you bought the Samsung Galaxy smartwatch. I am right?
No. Oh, sorry, I cannot hear you anymore. Bye bye, love you. Hey, bye. Bastard. Let's start this car with the help of the Samsung Galaxy smartwatch. So it's connected by mobile data and now we're gonna start the car. So this is an amazing feature to control your car, to start your engine, to receive notification where the car it's triggered the shock sensor, for example, to see the degrees, the temperature, to find your car in the parking lot by hitting this button. You'll do a short signal, or like this, to be able to open and close your doors when you are in near to your car, and you will not need your phone to do this. Only with the smartwatch, the LTE version, of course, you can do this also. Let's stop the engine and now let's unlock the car, and you see it's unlocked, and now we're gonna lock it back. So now it's locked, and we have another set of commands. We can insert our set of commands to the service mode, valet mode, to give your car in the wash, for example, in the car wash for someone, or in the service to deactivate your alarm. It tells us the history: arm, trunk closed, trunk open, trunk door closed. It's the history of the alarm. Furthermore, we have some settings. We have the kind of information, the engine start. We can set up the car from the watch. This is amazing. I can set the engine when to start, for example. It's automatic engine programming, the telematics, sensor settings, the car parking, and a lot of information. But I don't recommend you to use the smartwatch for these things. Use computers or phone especially. Will be interesting that the manufacturers work, as we talk, to a Tizen application, especially for the smartwatch, that you can control more easy, because this application, it's in a browser. If you see, I have it. I don't know how to, yeah, like this. It's in a browser. It puts to favorites, and I insert my username and password. It's nice. Whenever I want to log into application, I will go in this widget and I will go to login. So accidentally you cannot tap to start your car, for example. You have to go, you have to wait just I don't know, 10 seconds, 5 seconds to load the application, and this is it. You can control your car directly from the application. And now let's start the AC unit with the help of the smartwatch. And I made some widget, a shortcut right here, and with the help, this is just for starting. So let's start it up. And I'm telling you, I'm using only the data. I'm not using the Wi-Fi. And it's starting through the server. It's displaying some information on my watch. Home 24 degrees, set to 25. So now, if I want to, let's go in smart things. One device is on, and for example, if I want to set up the degrees, I can set it up from here, but I didn't succeed. I don't know, this is buffering all the time. so it will not change the degrees. It's some kind of bug, even if it's starting and stopping the AC unit. So now I'm connecting to Wi-Fi, and I don't know, I want to push to 25 degrees, and this option is not working, but until this bug is fixed by Samsung in SmartThings, you can use the turning on and off of your air conditioning. And this is pretty good. You came back from the work and you are near to your home, you start the air conditioner and it cools down your home. And it's a pity that from this shortcut you cannot access the SmartThings. I don't know why. This must be improved also by Samsung. Okay, let's turn, I want to show you, I want to completely turn off the Wi-Fi and use only the mobile data for the SmartThings or for the air conditioner. Let's wait to connect it to the mobile data, and this works flawlessly. I don't know why the commands to the plus and minus degrees do not work, but I'm also happy with this function. So I'm gonna to test the smartwatch, and we're gonna go to the health, and we're gonna go to the workouts and swimming. Okay, and start swimming with the smartwatch, and we'll see if it works, the evacuation of the water and the sensitivity. So it engages some sensitivity loss. And we can play music under the water. So it's gonna to look okay, even though the bezel it's working. Let's play some music, the pajamas. And we have finished the workout. And also it monitors your ankle to see your pulse. And now it's telling us to press and hold the home key for turning off water lock mode and eject water. And it ejects the water and we are finished with the workout. Mamma mia, che bello orologio! Ora che non sarebbe stato sufficiente, cucineremo questo orologio. Dobbiamo fare il test dell'acqua salata. Ma da dove ottenere acqua salata? Grande stacchi, stretto sacco, schioppo in spalla, sciabla a fianco, collo dritto. Mettiamo un po' di rosmarino. Un gran casco, un gran turbante, molto onor. Mettiamo un po' di cumino. Poco cantante. Ed invece del fandango una marcia per il fango, per montagne, per valloni, con le nevi e salioni. L'orologio funziona perfettamente. Ecco. So guys, let's go to the here maps, turn on the GPS, and let's write an address. Sorry, I'm filming with one hand, and with the other one I'm pointing. Okay, so we have an address, and what I saw from this for this application, it tells us it doesn't have the phone, but it's a standalone application. It will go with the GPS, and we have maps downloaded to the watch internally. Now it's not connected to the phone, to the mobile phone, and now I want to test how accurate it is. Let's start the car. I see already the application is in feet, and Now the screen it's blank. I think it will announce me yes when I got to make a right turn. I don't know how to film this for you to see, but now it wants me to make a right. I got to be careful to the traffic. It's good that I have automatic gearbox. And now it's straight ahead. The watch, it doesn't tell me anything, so it's conserving the battery. And this is kind of interesting. It's very interesting to have a standalone application on your watch in case you don't have phone. And there are a couple of versions of Google Maps paid, but I don't know, the ratings are bad. I think this application is great for navigating and for the navigation. And I like that compared to the Gear S, this connects to the GPS satellites very rapidly. I don't know, in a couple of 10 seconds. In Gear S you have to stay with minutes until 10 minutes to connect. And now we have 560 feet until destination. It displays beautiful. So it drove me to my destination. It was very accurate. I like that this application now is well developed compared to the Gear S. And with the standalone applications, you got to think yourself, you are in a new city, you are on foot and you want to go with the subway or something, and you need a guide. You don't have your phone, or you don't want to take your phone from the bag. You have your watch at your wrist. It will direction you exactly and precise with this watch. And I like in particular that it's very fast in guiding and in connecting to the GPS. So guys, I hope you like this product as much as I like. Support our channels if you like this video, if it helped you make a decision for the best smartwatch for you to buy. If this video helped you, please subscribe that button, put the notification bell to be notified every week when we publish a video, and support us guys. Thumbs up for this video. Have a nice day. See you guys. Bye.